Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and welcome. So this is the Season of the Witch series that I'm doing with you guys. And what I have here is, this is my Blair Witch doll, and I just thought that'd be a fun name. And she is for sale in my Etsy shop as of this video recording or making it, And her link will be down below. So come check her out if you want. And plus I have uh, some patterns on my Junky Grungy Grammy dolls. If you haven't seen those, I'll make sure on the end screen I'll have a whole playlist of making of that, and then making of my mini little dolls that I make, plus my primitive animals. So all that will be on the end screen. You guys can come check them out. Plus patterns are down below this video, so the links are in the description box. So come check those out. And today I want to show you guys, and what I'm doing is showing you guys step-by-step patterns, visual patterns on how I make my little witch here, my Junky Grungy Grammy witches. And then when you guys get the pattern, you download it. It's a downloaded pattern from my Etsy shop, and it's inexpensive. So once you guys, it's just an outline of everything that I use for the pattern on making them. And then you will come to my videos to visually see how I put them together. So I'm trying to make them easy as I can. Last video I did was just showing you guys how to make the face. And then today I want to show you guys how I do the witch's hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I put her hair together. And let's get started. Okay, I'm going to put her to the side here. And last time I asked you guys what you could think of a name for her, and I really appreciate it. So keep commenting down below and let's see what we can come up with. And I'll have fun little names for all the witches dolls. If I don't use it for her, I'll use it for other witches that I put in my Etsy shop. So I think that'll be a fun little thing to do. And you guys can see the little names that you came up with. So what I use is, you're going to need some Fabrifix glue, which I have in my Amazon links down below. I have Fabrifix glue plus the piping bottle, Sugar Bell piping bottle that I use. And I just put it in a jar, and it got all built up with the glue, and I just kind of stick it in there. So that's what I do with that. I use just some of the fabric here to tie her pigtails, plus a needle, which is some regular thread, whatever thread that you have will do. We just need a little bit of that to do her bangs. Some scissors to cut, plus I'll show you guys, this is kind of fun. I went to Big Lots the other day in Oregon. I'm in Oregon here, and it was shutting down, so they had really good deals going on. So I got this bin, this cool little basket or whatever you want to call it. And I really love that my yarn will go right in it, and then I just have it, so I just pull it just out like this. So I have it all set up over by my chair, and it's really nice just to be able to pull out the yarn. Yeah, you can see it's just super fun. It's just got all the little yarn that comes out, and I just keep it over by my chair, and I just pull it out the colors that I want. So I think the colors today I want to do is purple with a white stripe going through, kind of like how I did this. So let's do that. All right. Okay, so we got her. We got our little stuff we need over here. And what I'm going to do is just pull out a certain amount here. And you could do short hair, long hair, however you want to do the hair. I'm going to do it, I like doing them long. I think it's fun. So I just kind of line it up how I want it. Snip. And let's see, how long is this? Just to let you, oops, sorry about that. These are about 12 inches. Then I grab and I do 6 strands total. So I'll do 6 of the purple, and then I'll just go ahead and do 1 of the, it's like a white, kind of like a cream colored white. I do have these in my Amazon links below, so I'll make sure. I think I just put one down there, and then you can go pick the colors that you want. So it'll take you to where you can put it, pick whatever color you want and stuff. I just love using it's the Lion Brand yarn, and it's just so fun. It's so soft. Okay, do that. Line them up as good as you can, and then we can always trim it. Then I take my thread, start in the back of the head, pop out to the front. I'm pretty much just doing a whip stitch. So I make sure to go behind here of all the yarn. And then just kind of, and I go through, you can go through the yarn a little bit. I just make sure to catch it. Back behind it. You go through. And then once you get to where you want it, you just kind of do a little knot. Okay. Oh, her cute little hair. There's her bangs. You can kind of just mess around however you want it. You can pull it a little bit, kind of make it taller if you want. So however you want to do it. Okay. And then we can take our little bow or our little, it's just fabric scraps is what I usually use from the dress or the cape, however you want to do it. Just fun little matching. And I just tie it around. Little bows. You can do them as high up or low as you want. I think I'll do these kind of high. Fun little pigtails here. They're just so cute. Once you put the hair and stuff on it, that just gives them such personality. Mm-hmm. So much fun. Okay, so we got cute little pigtails, and then I will show you how to do the back. So I just take some more purple, cut it in, say 6-inch strips, 3 of them, and then we'll test it. So what I like to do is take the thread that's wrapped around them and pull it off, put it to the side, and then there's always a different thread on the inside. See that white? So I just take that and pull it out too. Okay, so I do that to all of them. Okay, and then you can take it and pull it, kind of ball it all together, and see how it's going to fit back here. You can look and see if you need more. Maybe add another strand to it. then I take my glue. Glue. Glue all over. And then I just take it and glue it down. And you can always put the bows on afterwards if you're afraid you're going to get them glued down or in the way. So either way, however you want to do that. So I just really just take it, put it down. You can feel it kind of seep through to your finger, and then just, you know, it's good and stuck. Okay. If you see any bald spots, you can just take a little more of your yarn and just cut a little piece off and just fluff it up and stick it down. Add a little more glue. But there we go. That's basically how I put together my little witch's hair. And I think it turns out super cute. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. That really does help my video get out there further for others to see. And they can come make their own little junky, grungy witch doll here. So this is just all in fun. It does not need to be perfect at all. I mean, these are whimsical. They're just for fun. I'm having so much fun making these. So if you guys could, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.